Hello everybody, Geotech here with another video. Found I'm mistaken, my last video was an unboxing of the weekend. Thank you for everyone that commented on the video and liked it. Glad I was able to give you guys a first look at the Japan CD. A little bit more on the Japan CD. I'm actually disappointed that although it says live in Japan, for some reason the crowd noise wasn't in the songs, so it felt more like a playlist more than anything. Today I got another record for you guys, and if I'm not mistaken, this is a record that I think I got off eBay. When this came out, it was during my first time woke experience. You know, when you're like in your early 20s and you start having thoughts, you start to wake up. Well, this album was instrumental in that, and this is Good Kid, M.A.A.D City by Kendrick Lamar. Now, what makes this album special is that it's a Target exclusive. So it actually has a special color, and I'm actually excited to see this firsthand. Kendrick just has a way of, telling a story through music, but still make it to the point where it's not boring, where you can actually vibe to it, you can listen to it, you can still hear it in the club. That takes a lot of talent. And I actually have his autograph from Damn. I think I showed you guys that in the past. Now, I'm not sure when this limited edition dropped, but I went on Target's app and I couldn't find any of them near me. And for some reason, I found some kid on eBay selling it for basically at cost. So I quickly made a move on that. Oh, and I'm still waiting on Echoes of Silence. I ordered it like a month ago, but Target keeps finessing me. But this is the album right here. The song credits on here, and then some photos here. Oh wow, it's two LPs. So you got a side A, side B, side D. Sorry, side C and D. If you guys are familiar with this record, please comment down below what your favorite song is. I know that might be hard, but oh, this is nice. Okay, this is really cool. Okay. So this is a really cool record. Shout out to Target. It's funny, Target and Walmart both have exclusive vinyls. So for the weekend, Target has a Starboy edition that's blue. And Target also has their own exclusive vinyls. I know After Hours, they sell like a translucent gold with a red splatter. I think there's like a Hunter Green Dam album out there. This is side A. Bitch Don't Kill My Vibe. Everybody knows that song. Money Trees. This is beautiful. I really like this record. This is really nice. Not bad. I think I paid like $20, $25 shipped. So pretty happy about that. If you go on Target, it's actually not expensive. I want to say it's like $18, but you have to pay for shipping, and then also you have to try and hunt one down because they're pretty hard to find. But hopefully you guys can secure one of these. This is awesome. I think Dying of Thirst is such a powerful song. But if I was to pick one song that's my favorite, that's tough. Swimming pools, I just have so many memories. But the recipe, I don't know. I think it's the beat of Recipe. I could hear that song all day. But this was an unboxing of Good Kid, M.A.A.D City, Kendrick Lamar, Target exclusive, limited edition. Thank you.